this is how you're going to add the Co-Writer extension onto your screen. So you'll go to a fresh Google page, search Co-Writer extension. Right there, click it. And you're going to click where it says Chrome. And you'll click Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and then it's going to be up in your puzzle piece up here. So you'll be able to click Co-Writer. If you want it to stay up on your bar, you can click there, and then there'll always be that piece right there. So you're going to sign in with Google, use your Brandywine Google, and now I'll be able to click create topic. Now you should be able to use it. Now that I have my extension, I just have to turn it on. So this turns it on and off. And I can go into a Word document and you can pick which word you want to put, or you can record here. Click for speech to text. So allow it to use your microphone. One afternoon, my friend and I went to the mall.
My friend and I went to the mall.
And so I have to go back and fix this, right? Because I said one day. My friend and I went to the mall. And I have to add my period, right?
Day, my friend and I went to the mall.
However, it's a really easy way for you to be able to record your story, and that way we can publish it a little bit faster.